Hi Ramesh.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Ramesh. Where are you from?
I'm from Ramantapur.
Damantapur. Okay. And about your family?
My family consists of 4 members. Myself, my mother, she's an homemaker. My sister, she's pursuing BTech final year. My brother is in schooling.
Okay. And what is your education qualification?
I've recently completed MBA in Finance from Aurora's PG College.
Ramantapur.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. And how do you know about Svc Insta?
I've seen in Instagram. One of my seniors also joined here and they have placed in good MNC company.
Okay. Who is that?
Godavari, she's placed in Cognizant company, and Aditya, he's placed in Oramas company.
Okay. Good to know that. Yes. And what did you learn from SVC?
I have gained knowledge in investment banking, mutual fund, financial statement, ratio analysis.
Okay. Fine. And share your interview experience.
There are 3 rounds of interview. First round is HR's personal interview. After completing it, typing test. After completing the typing test, there is the technical round. In technical round, I have asked nearly 20 questions. Mostly they have asked mutual funds, investment banking, markets, derivative markets,
Okay.
etc. And I have almost attended 17 to 20 questions in the interview.
Okay. Good to know that. And when you are going to join?
This coming Mondays.
Okay. And you got selected for SS&C Technologies, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.